Meghalaya Chief Minister on the 10th of June briefed the media and mentioned that the COVID scenario is different in different districts of the state. The state did a genome sequence testing for a large number of COVID samples, and a new variant called the Delta variant has been found, which is a very high spreading and infectious variant.
We are seeing that the situation is different in different districts, and now we are definitely seeing that that number one, that after doing the genome sequence of a large number of samples, that this is more of a Delta variant that we have, which is a very highly infectious and high spreading variant. So therefore we have seen the spread that's taken place throughout the state. That's number one. So number two, we are now seeing that the spread is happening in other districts as well. So we have seen three districts like the West Karawaz district and West Jaintia Hills district, and one more district I can't remember right now, which has crossed and touched almost about 70-80 cases on an average in the last few days. So we're seeing that this matter of concern is coming up, that these districts are being impacted. Tomorrow I'll be visiting Jowai, and I'll be taking a review meeting out there and seeing the preparedness overall in that area also. And we've been getting good reports that the infrastructures are coming up very fast, including the oxygen plants. So all these aspects will be reviewed. Similarly for Claret also, we will review it there tomorrow. So the numbers have today again crossed 600 active new cases, and the recoveries have been less than 500. So yes, today we have seen more new cases than the recoveries. But what is important, as I said, is that the epicenter is shifting slowly, in the sense that it's not now in East Khasi Hills and Shillong as it was earlier. Now we are seeing Shillong and East Khasi Hills having about 200 plus average cases in a day. So we'll have to observe the next few days and see how the strategy goes, and to see and make sure that the rural infrastructure and rural areas also are equally prepared for the situation. The Prime Minister has announced a few days back that now the 18 plus category also will be provided by Government of India. So therefore now the state will not have to buy, but we have placed the order for 60,000 before the announcement made by Prime Minister, and those 60,000 also should be arriving in a day or two. So with that, and with the 45 plus category of 90,000 doses, we will be having about 1,50,000. But in the future now, state governments will not have to procure any more vaccines at the state level. It will be provided by central government. Definitely all the deputy commissioners have taken measures at their own level. So the numbers are high, but definitely if the right measures are taken now also, we should be able to keep things under control. But as I said, we cannot take anything for granted. So as I said, the average numbers coming up in the districts are ranging between 50 to 100. So we need to be very careful and ensure that more and more containment areas are created, and more efforts are made to ensure that we don't allow the spread of this. And obviously containment strategy is one of the main strategies that is there.
The Chief Minister highlighted that even though the numbers are high, if the right measures are taken, the state can control the spread of this virus. Therefore, more containment measures along with more efforts should be taken to curb the spread of COVID-19. TNT Bureau.